My name is Sharla Sintyl, and I am the co-founder of Arise Project for Humanity. And my husband and I started this together about 5 years ago, and it has been such an adventure. In the beginning, my husband wanted to do something to help his nation, Haiti, and we decided that that the best thing they needed was the knowledge of how to become better, how to change their mindset, how to create their lives, and then how to go and change their community, because we know that Haitians will be the one to change Haiti. So instead of creating an organization that helps orphanages or gives food or anything like that, we decided to start a mentoring program. And many people in the US will wonder, okay, well, why is mentoring so crucial? Like, why is that a big deal? It's just another, basically, school you're starting, right? And the answer is, the reason why this is a big deal, in the US, we are so saturated with self-help that we don't realize that many other nations, especially third world countries, they don't have the amount of resources that we do in the US that can help us become better people, change our mindset, and all of these books and all of these things that help us, conferences that help us become these people and help us become better individuals. First of all, help them change their mindset, then create their life, and then impact their community. And that has been incredible to see them come out of our first 12-week program and say, wow, I actually believe that I can become successful. Like, I believe that I can do something and my mindset has been changed so that now I can go create my life. Like, I believe in myself. And that has been amazing for us to see, because that is the first step to an incredible future. Just the ability for them to believe in themselves. That's why we do what we do. Through the Mentoring Center, we're going to be able to take that to the next level, where they can learn how to create their life with entrepreneurial skills and other things, and then they're going to learn how to go and impact their community, go change their nation. Haitians are incredible people. They are super hard workers. They are resilient. They have entrepreneurial skills, and they're constantly hustling in order to make ends meet every single day. Just driving the streets of Haiti, you see what hard workers they are, because they have to work their butt off every day in order to make enough to feed their family. So they already have all those skills. They just need a little bit of training to learn some skills on what they can do to change their mindset. And maybe instead of looking just here and thinking about today, they can look a teeny bit farther and think about, okay, what can I do to set up my future for tomorrow? And then even more past that, what can I do to help my community rise? What can I do to help those around me become better after I've learned this knowledge? This is why the mentoring program and the mentoring center is so important, because it's going to start creating these leaders one at a time. They're going to start creating other leaders in their own communities. And it's going to be a ripple effect that will affect the whole country.